Hazelnut caramel wafer bars are delicious treats, especially when served with coffee. The rich caramel filling, or dulce de leche, is condensed milk, cooked until caramelized and allowed to cool. Then piped into the center of a rolled cinnamon wafer cookie with the ends dipped into milk chocolate and chopped hazelnuts. To make enough sweet cinnamon wafer cookie batter to make a few dozen 20-gram cookies, whisk 2 whole eggs and continue to whisk in 60 grams granulated sugar, 50 grams brown sugar, 15 grams Ceylon cinnamon, 110 grams unsalted butter, 5 grams salt, 30 grams rum, 30 grams triple sec, and 85 grams flour until well combined. Transfer to a sealed container and refrigerate until ready to use. Then preheat your waffle cone maker to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a generous tablespoon or about 20 grams of batter to the grill and close the lid. Set the timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. When the batter is cooked to a golden brown color, work quickly to roll the wafer cookie around a metal straw, pressing down on the end to help the cookie hold its shape and allow to cool. A Bismarck-styled piping tip that matches the size of the metal straw used is needed to get the caramel sauce into the cookies. Next, toast and chop fresh hazelnuts and temper milk chocolate for dipping. Stored in the refrigerator, hazelnut caramel wafer bars will stay fresh for several days or up to a week.